looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some melon, just let me know.
Later today, aren't we?
A bit later, a little bit of a lay-in.
Well deserved lay-in.
Going to celebration. Have a little walk. Chill day.
Chili. Chili con carne.
Chili con carne.
Chill, baby.
Nice little morning walk in celebration. Cleaned up a bit since the other day. Still a few bits of trees here and there, but not as bad as the other day, definitely. So that there, what was a path, is now completely underwater. They've blocked it off, understandably. Can't get down there.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Picture, come on.
Hello there.
Hello, squirrel.
Little squirrel, come to say hello. Hello.
Nice one, squirrel. Nice one, son.
He's looking for his nuts.
Oh, mate.
Feeling. Every time I go in the pool.
There's one over there. You can see him. Lots of wildlife in celebration. And if you're lucky, you might even see a gator. Although, I think they might all be in there, because that's all filled with water now. Got to keep your eyes peeled, because you will see a gator if you look hard enough. Point has been proven. Dad has found a gator. Where?
Yeah, look. See it leaning up against the thing?
Oh yeah! Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that on the camera, it's too small. It's there, look.
The baby one.
He's literally a baby one as well. I can't find it on the... There he is. Can't zoom in anymore, but he is just there. That is a babe, that is a tiny one as well. So there you go. 10 minutes of being here, and we've seen a gator. There's another one there, look.
Yeah. Yes, over there, look.
So there's two there now. So we've seen another, well, we've seen two now.
Get closer.
Two in this lake. I can't zoom in anymore. It's so annoying. But there he is there. I did see one. Where is he? I saw one over here as well, but he went under. Little turtle there. I doubt you'll be able to see that though.
Crocodile over there.
Hold on. There's a little turtle there.
There's another one here, look. Little
There.
head there.
Another one there with his head out. Don't know where that gate has gone. He changed direction.
Naughty little gator.
Naughty little gator. You can go on Segway tours. Yeah. Oh, there he is. There's the gator. I don't know if you're going to be able to see him. He's just turned around and swam off. The lighting is not good on this camera at the minute to see. Hold on, there he is. Can't get in close enough though.
Can't find him even.
There he is. That one looks quite a big one. That one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So when we were here a couple of years back, what did they say? They get to about 6 foot and then they take them out.
Because we actually come on holiday and we actually see one.
We actually
Probably
saw
about 6
we saw a
foot.
big one. It was just like on the
Yeah, he's blown
Verge.
then, didn't
Huge.
and he was a massive one.
We did actually run away from that.
We did run away because he's jumped in the water like very erratically, didn't he?
we? And he was swimming towards us.
He was swimming towards us.
Swimming
So
the way he was
we
going.
all ran. We all ran away.
Usually.
So
As you can imagine, it was a bit eventful.
you never see one above 6 foot unless it grows over that overnight, I would have thought.
No. Yes, so another thing that is really good to do in celebration is the bike hire. We've done that a couple of times. And it's really good to do. We've seen, what have we seen? We've seen snakes and
Snakes,
deer and
lots of different
go
birds.
through like a wildlife reserve thing where you, if you're lucky, you see
gators.
like deer and
Lovely it is.
What else?
It's a
What
brilliant
else?
ride.
I'll make it cleaner for you, Mother. Come on.
Yes,
come
you do.
down. Come on, Mother. This is the sort of service I provide for my mother.
yes.
I clean the path for her.
Yes, so we definitely recommend the bike.
Picked up some stuff, look.
Blimey. Kicked up some dust or something. Yes, so we definitely recommend the bikes because
Oh,
they
they're
are
fabulous, yeah. They're
They're
really
great.
good.
It takes up about 2 to 3 hours, I'd say.
And you
depending
don't
on how
actually
fast you
realise
go.
either how big celebration is until you get on the bikes and
Yeah, it is very,
and go round.
it is really good. Definitely recommend.
All the big posh houses.
doing that.
That's actually over there.
that
You
was-
see that big one.
Yeah, that's
This
where we
is
saw the
where
gator,
it
just
was.
over there.
Yeah.
That massive one. And he jumped in and we ran back. It was a little bit scary.
That's a long way, it was as well.
Never seen Nan run so fast. But yes, if you haven't been, definitely come to Celebration because it is a lovely, lovely little town. Lovely walks. There's a little town centre, Market Street it's called, where there's loads of little shops and cafes and restaurants. Yeah, it's a nice little place to come for a chill. Oh yeah, look, what's this? And to the next creature
Ooh.
is a little cricket. Hello there. Little cricket. Hello. You see a lot of them in Celebration as well. So you have to watch where you're stepping because they're normally on the floor. Because you do see a lot squashed. Tree in the path, tree in the path. It's not good. Come out by its roots. Go on the road. Now. Oh God. There we go. More trees. God, loads of over there. Oh, it's getting hotter. Okay, so we've stopped off at Kilwins. Got some ice cream. A strawberry chunk. Well needed.
Lemon sorbet.
Caramel.
Swirl, whatever
Yeah.
it is. So Dad's got a cappuccino.
Chocolate chip.
Nice.
That's nice.
Well needed after that walk. So we're just in Publix, picking out some bits. So we've got some. Oh, stop moving.
Do you like cream soda though?
No, I don't.
You're joking?
Oh, I hate cream soda.
I'm not getting corners.
So we've got some cakes. Just buy one get one free. Tea, coleslaw.
Will you say $2.98?
There's some ranch as well. That's $3. $3.79 I think. Chips Ahoy. And they do all the like Disney knockoffs.
I've got to be honest, they are making a right pig's ear of this shopping.
So we're in the soft drink.
Coca-Cola product. 3 for 13.
Not gonna have 3, are we? So that is the stuff.
Minute Maid? Oh no, that's not
Minute Maid, lemonade.
Coca-Cola, is it?
No.
I'm presuming anyway, is it?
Hello!
That's before it happened, I think.
Hello!
Hello!
Hello! Where are we going?
Well, that was on the boat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Shopping, that's not very
And
helpful,
shopping.
is it? I think we're going to Premium Outlets. Come back from celebration, went in the pool. So we're going to go do a bit of shopping, have a bit of dinner, all that sort of stuff.
Come on, let's go.
We are at Premium Outlets.
Yeah.
In the one in Vineland. Just came here to have a look at the character premiere shop because it used to be really cheap and you used to be able to find some really good bargains in there. But it was far too expensive and there weren't really anything in there worth buying. It's gone downhill. So we're just going to go over to the shopping centre in Lake Buena Vista. I'm just going to go and have a look at the Disney shop there, see if that's any better. Good morning! Didn't do much vlogging yesterday. We went to celebration in the morning and then came home and just had a bit of a chill by the pool and then just went. We did go to Premium Outlets but didn't stay there very long. So we went to Disney Springs and I didn't do any vlogging there, but we went to Blaze Pizza. You can build your own pizza basically. Yeah, and it was nice, but I didn't do any vlogging. But this morning we are going to Grand Floridian to have a bit of breakfast and we've got a reservation at the Grand Floridian Cafe. And we've been there before so we know it's nice, but I'll do some vlogging in there so you can see what we have. I think it's about, what time is it? It's 9:05. It's warm outside, obviously. Oh! Good morning to you!
Are you vlogging today?
Oh, of course! How the devil are you this morning?
I'm very well, thank you.
Oh, good. Tip you're doing there, that'll please you.
Wow.
It's very warm.
Is it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, no.
So, yes.
Dirty.
Very dirty, yes. That needs a good clean, that does.
Are they coming to clean this, I wonder?
Well, they said they were, but whether they will, we do not know. So, yes, we are going to the Grand Floridian, aren't we?
We are.
Have a little bit of breakfast.
Have a little bit of breakfast.
Have a little walk around.
around.
So, we are at the Grand Floridian. It's a very sunny day. Very sunny day. Off for a bit of breakfast. Okay, so we've gone for the 3-egg omelette. There's Nan. We've got the grand breakfast. We also bought Mats and biscuits at the beginning as well. Very nice. Nice? Just had our breakfast at the Grand Floridian. It was very, very nice. Very full up now though. Massive portions. Food's lovely and service is great. Yeah, it's very good, very nice. So we've now walked over to the Polynesian. A nice hotel to walk round. Theme's very good. And if you go to the, I think it's the reception and ask, they give you one of those, I don't know what they're called, Hawaiian necklaces, one of them. I don't know what they're called. We got some just as I start vlogging they all walk away. I mean, so we got some. Still don't know what they're called. What are these called? I mean, I don't know what they're called.
Garlands.
No.
Your band.
Garlands. I don't know. I will find out what they're called. Got the castle over there. We'll be going there later because we've got some fast passes booked. And here, all along that path, all along this path, are the names of, these ones aren't very clear, but they're the names and dates of when people got married in the wedding pavilion over there. If we find a clear one, not very clear. There's one.
Bring dogs.
Yeah. And then there's the wedding pavilion over there. Hello!
Hello. Hello.
So, we are off to
Magic Kingdom.
off to the Magic Kingdom.
Glass, I just had my lemonade in.
Gonna go and watch the new fireworks show happily ever after because we've not seen it yet. Very excited. And we have also got a fast pass for, we've got 3 fast passes. We've got one for the Talking Mickey, another one for Big Thunder, and another one for the Mine Train. One for the Mine Train, because we've not been on that yet either. Because every time we go, there's too much of a queue, and we can never get a bloody fast pass. So we've got one tonight, and we are going on it.
Yes. Long awaited mine train.
Yes. We'll see what it's all about. See what it's all the fuss is about. So we're gonna go and see Mickey Mouse. Talking one.
Karen, would you give this to Maureen and Lauren?
Thank you. So, you're going to meet Mickey?
I'm going to meet Mickey. Oh, it's my boyfriend.
And he talks to you?
He talks to me.
Oh wow! Look who's here!
Hi, Mickey.
Oh, and you too!
Hi, Mickey.
Hey, pal!
Hi, Mickey.
I'm glad you stopped by. Oh, you're never gonna believe this. You know that spooky old house in Liberty Square?
We do.
I think it's haunted. I went in there, and a ghost tried to follow me home. He was doing this. Has that ever happened to you?
Yeah.
It did?
Yeah.
He didn't follow you here, did he? Okay. Phew. Just checking. I know. How about we get a picture of us hitchhiking like those ghosts?
Okay.
Fantastic.
Great. Yes, so we're now in the queue to see Tinkerbell.
Yes, Tinkerbell, my favourite.
My favourite. And how did you find Mickey Mouse talking one?
Unusual.
Unusual.
No, it's nice. It's lovely.
Nice,
lovely
but
for kids.
nice but strange.
Because we've never seen him talk.
Very odd.
Very odd. So we just got in a queue for Tinkerbell, thinking it was going to be, well, it said it was a 10-minute wait, and started queuing. 10 minutes passed, we hadn't even moved. We reported, looked at the wait time, and it changed to 50 minutes. So there was no way we were waiting that long to meet Tinkerbell. So we are possibly on our way to get some food, or on our way to our fast pass at Big Thunder. Not sure which one yet. It's starting to rain. Yes. Yeah. Come on then. Watch these tram lines. So we're going to go get some food. It's starting to rain and we have just had a little bit of thunder. There she is. Come on then. Go get some dinner because we are Hank Marvin. Ducks. So we're going to go into there, see what they do. Nachos. Focus.
Cheesy beef knackers.
Salad.
Southwest salad with chicken.
Nan's gone for a macaroni and cheese. So, what's happened? We're stranded. We're stuck. It's absolutely lightning as well there. It's torrential. Amen.
And me and Alan have forgot our maps.
But we didn't.
We never.
So we're stuck. We have to come in the sweet shop to get away.
Alan's dream is to in a sweet shop.
Yes, it's his dream. Look. It's raining so much. Every time we come to the Magic Kingdom of a night time, it seems to be just shining down rain.
Yeah, and this is the second time we've had the line train booked. First time we had to cancel because of
bad weather, so hopefully we're going to get this. Although looking outside, it's a bit doubtful. So we're having a look round the sweet shop, Frontierland.
Yeah, Ellen.
It's a sweet.
Come and salivate over these, Al.
There you go.
Lots of sweets and cakes and treats. Absolutely chugging down. It's pelting down. It's not good, is it?
Seriously? Oh man, Daddy, Mommy, look at the castle!
None the wiser. What? I've been filming you for 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I mean, you just can't get the stuff in.
I'm too busy looking at the rain.
You just can't get the stuff.
Thinking.
Trying to get some entertainment
Entertainment.
from you.
Not pheasant plucker. I'm the pheasant plucker son. I sit and pluck the pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Now I'm getting down to say it.
Say that.
I'm not the pheasant plucker.
I'm not the pheasant plucker, I'm the pheasant plucker's son.
I sit and pluck the pheasants.
I see him pluck the pheasants to the pheasant pluckers. Cubs.
Well done. This weather is no good.
Okay, Alan, come on then. There's little dancers to entertain us now.
You're up.
Your turn to entertain.
And that's your lot for tonight. Until next time. Yes, so once again, we've not been able to get on the mine train, have we? Again. Something just does not want us to get on it.
See if you can get another fast pass.
Well, they've got to come back here though again. Got other places to go, other things to see. We just have not got time. Every day I tried to get that one.
Every day.
Can't get on it anyway.
We couldn't get on it if we wanted to.
No. Something just does not want us to get on that ride. We will get on it eventually. Okay, so we are waiting to watch Happily Ever After. I'm not going to film it because it's the first time we're watching it and I want to enjoy. We do. So I'm not filming it.
Certainly are.
Are you excited?
I'm filming it.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
No, I'm not.
This in case it's unbelievable. I wish I'd have filmed it. It's supposed to be good.
Very excited. Wow. That firework display is incredible.
Unbelievable.
Go and watch it. It's amazing.
Very good. Really good.
They don't want to look at the camera. Good?
I was called in the lot.
I'm yawning here, darling.
She's yawning and we're obviously boring her. I mean, yes, that is amazing.
Yeah,
Wishes, better than Wishes.
Definitely.
Definitely better than Wishes.
Incredible.
Go and see it, and if you can, stand right near the front because that's where we were. And it was amazing.
Come out of Frontierland and
Come out of front, we've literally come out of front where the Haunted Mansion is, that little pathway there.
you end up being right on the front.
We were right by the front. And we only waited 15
Might have a little
minutes.
bit longer to get out, but it'll be worth it from watching
It'll be
it from there, I
worth
promise
it.
you.
Because that is one of the best firework displays.
Unbelievable. Very good.
That is amazing. We are home from the Magic Kingdom. We stayed,
As you can hear.
as you can hear, it's about 10 to 11. So we stayed and waited for the crowds to go a bit. So we stayed and watched there's like an end show they do about half an hour after the park closes. So we stayed and watched that. Not a lot of people know about that, so there weren't that many people there. So yeah, we stayed and watched that. Yeah, we've just got in about 10 to 11. We're all very tired, and tomorrow we've got evening fast passes in the Animal Kingdom. Not for Pandora, unfortunately, because they are just impossible to get. So we've got a couple there. We're going to watch the new Rivers of Light as well, because we've not seen that yet. We're going to have a chilled morning tomorrow. And obviously Animal Kingdom in the evening. So, good night.